Today we're going to be showing you how to replace your auger motor on your XXL Pro. This is what turns your auger and feeds the pellets to the burn cup. Let's get into it. First thing we need to do is access our hopper side panel by taking off these 6 screws. So before we get into disconnecting this from the controller, we want to make sure that your XXL is unplugged and it's time to cool down. After that, you're going to go ahead and follow the red wire up and disconnect it from the controller. All right, the next step is we're going to have to undo this screw that is in the bushing. So get a screwdriver and take it out. All right, once your screw is out from the bushing, you're able to just pull the whole assembly out. Last thing you need to do to get your motor freed from your auger is grab this side with the crescent wrench and then undo this screw right here. Then you're able to pull your motor completely off. In order to install your new motor, all you do is simply slide this back onto the auger and line up your screw hole. Once this is on, you can thread your screw up through and then start the nut on the end. To make this process a little quicker, grab your wrench and tighten it on the end, and then you can screw from the other side. Before you slide your auger back in, you want to make sure of 2 things. You want to make sure that this screw hole is pointed directly down, and you want to make sure that your fan is down and your wires are pointing up. From here on out, we're going to reassemble everything in reverse order. So go ahead and put your screw up into the bushing. After that, you're going to want to match up your B connector up to the B connector in your controller. The last thing we need to do is reinstall this plate on the side of the hopper. And if you use a power tool such as this, you want to make sure to go very slow to avoid stripping out any screws. I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any further questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer support helpline. Thanks.